Good evening, everyone. This is Uncle Alex from Elite Academy, and today I'll be taking you guys on a quick Forex tutorial. This is for those that don't know, this is the Meta5 trader. Now, after opening the Meta5 trader app for the first time, it will show you an option to create a demo account. So just go ahead and create it immediately. Basically, this is what almost all Forex traders use. So let's start without wasting much time. So first of all, we are going to be starting from the quotes tab. There are different tabs. We have the quotes, the charts, the trade history and settings. You can see them down here. So now, starting from the quotes tab. Now from the quotes tab, now this is where you get all your pairs. Now if there is any pair you trade that is not here, you can simply search for them. Search for the pair, tap it, tap this plus icon here, and immediately the pair is added. You can see it down here. If you are not interested, if you want to remove any pair, you can also remove, slide and delete. It's very simple. You slide and delete. Now what is the now another function of this quote is that it gives you the live price. It shows you the price movement. It shows you the bid and ask price. Here you can see the price movement of all the pairs you are trading. You can see the increase, the percentage increase. Now after the quotes tab, we have the charts tab. Now here, this is where you can see the price action of any pair of your choice. Now from here you can see the candles. This is where you see the candles, the bullish and the bearish candles. Now let's start from here. Now starting from the top here, you see this place where H1 is written. This is the time frame. It's called the time frame. Now to switch from the H1 time frame to any other time frame, you simply tap it, then you select any time frame of your choice. You cannot choose from 1 minute to monthly time frame. It is clear. You can boldly see here. So now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Now this is what GBP CHF looks like on the 30 minutes time frame. Now what does this candle signify? Now this candle now is simply the price action under 30 minutes. This candle is simply showing you what happened. It's simply showing you what happened with GBP CHF in 30 minutes. These candles are printed every 30 minutes. Yeah, you can bold. This one now is still printing. Once the 30-minute circle is complete, you see the candle just stop and another new one will be printed out. Now this is how it works. You can always switch. This is the 15. Now this candle is printed on 15 minutes interval. It's simply showing you what is going on in GBP CHF in every 15 minutes. This is showing you the price action under GBP CHF every 16 minutes. Now after this time frame too, we have the crosshairs. Now this one right here is the crosshairs. It's used to pinpoint any price, any points. The crosshairs now is used to select or map out any point in the price action. I hope you are jotting things down. This tool I selected looks like a plus. It's called the crosshairs. Now with this tool is used to get more details of any point in price. Now any point at all on your charts, you take it there. Below here you can see the date and the time. On the right you can see the price. Any point at all on your chart, just take it there to see the full details. Now after the crosshairs, we have the indicator tool. This next one here that is looking like an F is called the indicator tool. Now what is it used for? The indicator tool is used to add indicators to your chart. Now every single indicator you see on any chart has its own purpose, but I won't advise you to use this MetaTrader to analyze, because this indicator tool are mostly used by those that use their MetaTrader trader to analyze. That is what TradingView is for. I'll strongly advise you use TradingView instead of this. Now if you tap indicator, you tap plus. From here you can add any any indicator of your choice to your chart. Now you can see this indicator I just added here. you come here, you can pick, you can add more than one. You add, you see I'm adding indicators to my chart. You can, if you want to remove them, you come back here, edit, you remove the indicators. Now that's that. Now after the indicator, we have the object tool. This next one here is the object. You can use it to add any object at all to your chart, maybe a triangle, a rectangle. You can use it to add any object at all to your chart. If you analyze, like I said, if you analyze with this, if you analyze with MetaTrader Trader, you'll be needing this object tool, but I won't advise any of you to analyze with this app. Instead, you use TradingView for that. Now that is what the object tool is used for. Remember, we are still in the charts tab. Now we have two special tools here. These tools actually was added in the MT5 Trader app. It wasn't available in the MT4. It's not available in the MT4 app. So this first one here is used to create orders from your chart. You understand? Let's say you finished analyzing. Now to enter those trades, you just analyze quickly and easily from your MetaTrader Trader. You just open your chart, you tap this. Now this is a buy limit. What does this mean? A buy limit means you are buying. You understand? You are selling, you are longing, sorry. You are either buying or longing. That is what it means. So once you select, you can always change from here. Just tap it. You can change it to any one of your choice. Buy limit, sell stop limit, sell stop. So now let's assume now we want to enter a trade. You select your price, then you come here, you pick your remember we are buying. This is a buy limit. Now as you adjust it, you see what is happening, is changing. So now remember we are buying. Now this is our buy price. Now for the SL, you come here. Remember, this is not a live trade, we are just trying to test it out. Then you take the TP to where it is on your chart. Then after that, you select this blue arrow. Now this takes you to where you can place your trade. Now here you set your lot size from here. After this, I'm going to teaching you guys how to set your lot sizes under position sizing. So let's assume you are using 0.1 lots, then you place your trade. Now the next one here is also this one is an instant buy or sell. The next one, it has the rectangle shape. You tap it. Now here you can see sell here you can see buy. Y center here you have our lot size. Now let me increase it to 0.01 and let me just tap buy. Okay, see, I'm buying, as you can see. So now to check your live trades, to see how your trades is doing, you come here under trade. This is how my trade. Remember, the trade we are looking out for is this one I just entered here. Remember, I just entered, I didn't do any analysis at all. So if you come here now, you can see your balance. The balance is the amount you have available in your account before you entered any trade. Why the equity? The equity is a sum of your balance and whatever you have here, either profit or loss. That is what equity is. It is the sum of your balance and your profit or loss that is still running. Why margin is how much. Margin simply means the amount that is used to enter a trade. Like now here we have 12.6. Now that is simply telling you that this trade now was entered with $12.6. Why free margin is your available balance. You understand? After this 12.6 has been deducted from your balance, that is what it means. So now I think that is all for the trade tab. Now we have this plus icon here. What is this plus icon for? This plus icon here, you can use it to enter a trade. Let's say you got a signal, or you got an you finish analyzing and you want to enter the trade. Another way to enter it is by using this plus icon. Once you tap it, you come here. From here you can see GBP CHF. If you don't want to trade this pair, you tap it, you select any pair of your choice. Then here you select what kind of trade you are entering. A buy limit, are you longing? Sell limit is for if you are shorting. We have the buy stop, the sell stop, the buy stop limit, but the best ones to use is either the buy limit or the sell limit. You understand? So after you've selected that, you come here, you input any lot size of your choice. Now you come here, you select the price, that is your entry. Select your entry. After selecting your entry, you come here, you pick your stop loss, you put in your stop loss, you enter your profit here. You enter your stop loss here, then you tap place. Once you tap place, your order will be placed immediately. Now something else I want to show you guys is how to close a running trade. Now take for instance this one that we have running is already in profit, 0.41. Now if we want to close this trade, you slide like this, you select this icon here, slide, you see this tick, good, you select it. Now as we are here, there is two things we can do. We can either take partial profit or we take everything. Remember the trade is currently at 0.31 profit. Now you come here, now this is our lot. To take 50% of the profit, we reduce the lots, we divide the lots by 2. We have 0.01 already, so we change it to 0.05, sorry. Okay, it's too small. Let's see. Let me do another example. Now to close the trade with partial profit, what we do, we come here, then we reduce the lot size, 0.01. You reduce it. After reducing it, you select close. Let me just show you guys let me try again. This time let me use a bigger. Now this is not a live account, this is a demo account. I'm trying to show you guys an example. Now to take 50% of the profit from this is 0.1, that is the lot size. Now we come here, remember we are in loss already, so let's just say we want to remove 50% of our positions. Now you slide, you tap good here. This 0.01 you see, you divide it by 2, 0.05. You can see it here under this yellow, on this yellow button here. We are currently in loss, minus 2, let's say minus $2 loss. Now let's take 0.05. You see I took 50%, I took 50% of our positions out of this trade, so reducing the loss from $2 to 0.68, divided the loss by 2. If you come here, if you check the lot size for this trade, you see that it has already been divided by 2 from 0.1 to 0.05. So basically we have only 50% of our position still in here. Let me just close all the trades. To close the trade completely, you slide, you tap this, then you close. You tap, you slide, you tap this, then you click close, and the trade will close by itself. Now that is it for the trade tab. Now the next we have the history tab. Now from the history tab we can see all our past, you can see all your past trades, your trade history. Remember I told you guys this is a demo account, so just use it to flex, not really live trading. Now starting from here, now this first icon here, this one that looks like an arrow facing up and down, now this is used to sort your history. You can sort based on symbol. This is not very important, just leave it in default. Now here we have positions, we have orders, we have deals. What are the difference between all this? For the first one is position. You see all your trades that has already been closed. Take note, for here you see all your trades that has already been closed. Now for the second one, orders, you see all the trades that you entered. Now what is the difference between this order and position? Now for position, now those trades were triggered and were eventually closed by you, or maybe it hit stop loss or profit and it was closed by the market. But for orders are orders is almost the same thing, but here you see even those ones that weren't triggered. Now as you trade forex, sometimes you analyze, you enter a trade and it doesn't go to your entry. You have no other option than to close it by yourself. That's why if you check here, you see I have a lot of trades here, more than I have here. You understand? Now in this list it also includes trades that did not trigger. It didn't trigger, it didn't hit SL, it didn't hit profit. I just closed it by myself because it didn't get to entry. Now this is what you see under orders. These things are not that important, but then I'm just going to teach you just so you can take note of them. Now we also have the deals. Now for this clock icon, this icon here helps you to customize your history. Sometimes you just want to see the trades that were taken just last week or maybe just last month. You tap under history, you see here you can select the time frame you want to see. Let's say we want to see trades for just last week. You can see them, it has been reduced. Last month, you can see all of them. If you want to customize it, let's say based on the date, you select tap custom, then you pick a date. Let's say you want trades for just today, you tap done. Now these trades are trades that were entered just today. I hope you guys are understanding. Now that is it for history. Now after the history, we have a settings icon. Now settings icon, this is where you can see every other setting. And now I'll be showing you guys how to connect your MT5 to your XNES account. So what you do now is, if you open your MT5 app, you come to setting, you tap this, then tap this plus button up here. I'll be using the browser for this. Now if you come to your XNES, we have real demo. So I created this demo account just to show you an example. Then you tap this three dots here, these three dots, you tap it, you tap account information, then you see this server here, you copy it, you paste it here, it will appear. Before we continue, XNES, creating an XNES account is not hard. It's straightforward. So after creating, you create an account for either demo or real. But before you can be able to do that, you have to finish the level 1 verification. At least maybe after inputting some details, you'll be allowed to do that. Then you create the account. After searching for the server, you come here, you copy your MT5 login, then you input it here. After doing that, now you type in your password. Now as you create an account, there is a password that you have to create as you'll be creating an account. So you come here and input the password, then you input the password, tap done. You see the account has reflected here. If you check, you see the amount here is the same thing I have on my MT5 demo balance. So that's it. That is the same similar process for prop firm account or any other brokers accounts.